my man. Don't allow me to say anything against him now. I don't want to talk anything.
Oh, yeah, you check out.
Who's going to go?
Governor Imo, we will report you to the press. The 19th of January 2022 to discuss numerous issues affecting the forum and member states, and we acknowledge some of the achievements in the different member states, members of the forum. For example, the president visited Ogun, where he commended and inaugurated projects. We visited Borno State. We have had challenges in some states and we commiserated with them. We spoke about our unanimous appreciation of Mr. President and especially the confidence he has in the forum. And we also passed a vote of confidence on the National Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the party, chaired by Governor Mai Malabuni and including two other governors, among others, Governor Abu Bello of Nasarawa State and Governor Boyega, South Niger, Governor Boyega Oyetola of Osun State, who have done an incredible job of running our party successfully, mobilizing people into the party. And we are very, very happy with their conduct. We discussed our oncoming convention, which you may recall, I had cause to address the press after we visited with Mr. President in November, where we expressed that both Mr. President and the party have agreed that the convention will take place in February. So we took inputs about the reviews, and we noted all the misrepresentations in the press that, and said to seek to correct that the Progressive Governors Forum is one united body, as you can see evidently from the attendance, and our decision is unanimous. We are united behind Mr. President and we thank him, and we are united behind the Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee.
Sir, what is the position, sir?
One group of stakeholders in the party, and our party respects institutions. The appropriate organ of the party is the National Caretaker Committee that will announce a date.
The same National Caretaker Committee, sir, have accused the governors, because they said that the governors and principal stakeholders will take decision on when the convention.
No, we have agreed and they will announce a date in February, but the announcement comes from the party. It's a party decision. There are other stakeholders that they are consulting, and to show respect and institutionalization, institutional limits, we are not going to overstep our bounds.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.